Hello, and welcome to the cold start video of my 1963 MGB race car, built by Dick Luening of Killer Bees, with improvements from Fab-Tek and Dave Headley. Headers are cold. I love when people just come up and set their hand on the valve cover as if it can't be warm. We do have the oil temp off the peg. I always use a oil temp heater to make sure that there is heat in the oil before I start the car. Make sure we're neutral. Power's on. Fuel pump and ignition are both off. And we're waiting for the heater to heat up on the fuel probe to make sure that the leaded fuel doesn't ruin the fuel probe. Now, in the cockpit, obviously we have tachometer, oil temp, water temp, oil pressure, volts, fuel pressure, and a digital EGT. So, still waiting. It usually takes 30 to 45 seconds for the heater probe to heat up. Alright, showing that it's heated, so ignition's on, fuel pump is on. Give it a second to make sure we've got good fuel pressure. And we do have an AccuSump, but we don't use that until we actually have positive oil pressure. So that should be long enough. 2 pumps.